What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see today here, sun is hot. We are back here at Toycarz, and guess what, man, dude? Right here we have the gorgeous looking red Lotus Elise final edition 240 Sport, guys. Check this out, man, dude. It looks absolutely amazing. I just love the color, of course, the shape of the car, and on top of that, the best part about this car is that it is a convertible. So yeah, the roof is manually detachable. You can actually do that, and the car will actually be looking as sporty as what you're looking at right now. So let us first start off with the front of the car, guys. Check out the lights, man. Once again, I love the black lining on the outside with the dark housing on the inside, together with your lights that are located right there, and your turn indicator should be somewhere around here. Amazing, bro. So right at the top hood, you have this opening right here. Of course, you got your fan right there. Damn cool black, sort of like this mesh kind of a grille. Damn nice. I love the linings that we have right here as well, and of course the shape of the hood, you know, the way how curvature the look of it looks like. So we have the yellow badging, my favorite, with the green, classic green Lotus, and of course how the way the Lotus is bent out like that, right? So that's amazing. It's not like the modern ones. These are absolutely lightweight cars, and they look fantastic. They feel fantastic when you drive. So the bottom piece right here, openings that we have right there, also get this mashed out grille. Amazing. And down here you got this extended lip. Compared to this, you have another one right here. Love the design of it. And of course you get your number plate that goes right there. Gorgeous grille. Check out the front look, all the way down to the side. And then we're going to move down to the wheels. Of course, I rolled the car a bit forward, so the Lotus badging is a bit upside down, but nevertheless, of course, it can be straight. Perhaps at the back tire, I'll show it to you. Yokohama tires. Tire size 195/50 R, 16-inch for the front. They are using drill disc brakes, AP Racing brake calipers. Fantastic, bro. Can you imagine that? Love how the glittery and shiny effect for the wheels are for this multi-spoke 16-inch wheels are looking like. And yeah, very nice indeed. Love that they're using AP Racing, and of course the brakes are drill disc brakes, not the solid ones, you know. At the side right here, final edition 240 Sport. Love this turn indicator right there with the Elise wording right there. Damn cool. Side mirror, once again, frameless door. Window, of course, you can wind it up or wind it out, totally up to you. Get this sort of like side skirting that looks aggressive like this. Fantastic. So right inside right here, you have the gorgeous looking leather finish that you guys are getting. Handle to hold, to pull, to close the door. You got your windows up and down, handle to open up the door also as well. And of course this tub right here where you sit in, you got to sit on top of this and slide yourself right down. So love that piece as well, with all the red stitching that's all around it. Check that out, guys. Suede finish, Alcantara finish with the Lotus badging right there as well. Air vent adjustments, dashboard, compartments to keep some stuff. You get the final edition wording right there with the Lotus black. Some place to keep some stuff right there. Gorgeous interior, very straightforward and simple. And of course I love the manual gearbox that you guys are getting with the linkage that you guys can see down there. Hazard lights located right there. Of course you get your climate control, your radio, another air vent right there, handbrake manually, pull it right down. Of course the car is super light, you can push it. But yeah, fantastic car, guys. Check out the so-called cup holder or a bottle of water. You can actually keep right there. Damn cool. Seat belts are in black. Let's move to the rear and check that out, guys. You got your Yokohama tires once again, and tire size for this car right here is 225/45 R17. So you got drill disc brakes, and yep, at the front you got 16, back you got 17-inch. So amazing finish, multi-spoke wheel together with the glittery and shiny effect for the rear wheel. Love that. Now you do get sort of like a wing, spoiler plus a wing over here. As you can see, air flows through right here. It keeps the car down because the car is super light, right? So travels fast, so you need it to be giving as much as ground effect as possible. So you get the Lotus wording right here, which is basically sticked on to the car. Damn cool. And on top of that, your brake lights are located right here. Your rear brake lights also, they turn on when you're driving. Those ones should be either on your reverse light. And at least 240 Sport wording right there. Number plate goes right here. And of course you get your rear diffuser that looks super stunning with the Venturi tunnel. Damn. It's amazing how a small size car like this has a single exhaust, and of course it gets this sort of like aggressive look for the rear. And check out the engine, guys. Lotus performance, you get that right there, and very clean setup, super neat. Storage, you guys can store 50 kg maximum load at the rear. So engine is there, storage is here, very good. Petrol cap right here as well. Yep, those are the wheels with the Lotus badging straight on. Love the opening right here for the intake, left and right. Once again, this is the driver's seat. Check out the view from the top, looks damn cool. Now for the steering part, very straightforward and simple, just the horn. There's no buttons right there on the steering wheel. You got your wiper adjustments over here, you got your signal adjustments over here also as well, and your lighting is over here together with your engine start, sport mode, traction control off key insert over here also as well. Compartment storage, and yes, my favorite among all, you get your clutch, brake and accelerator, because it's a manual, right? So damn cool to drive. Once again, the linkage, check that out, guys. It's damn cool, man, dude, for a car like this. Check out the doors, fantastic, beautiful finish for a car like this, guys. Check out once again the exterior, all the way right here for the front. Nice look you guys are getting, superb, man, dude. Check out one more time, another look for the rear, right there, another one right here as well. Cool. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Lotus cars, do head down to Toycarz right here, and you guys will be able to locate this gorgeous car and many more other gorgeous cars that these guys have for sale. So if you'd like to find out more, do check out the description below and get in touch with the person in charge, and perhaps drive on one of these gorgeous specs waiting for you. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.